In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create these bounce animations like After Effects in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So first of all, this is the reference video. I will just simply move and I will just cut it to 5 seconds for now, just to show you as an example. I won't be created the whole video. I will just show you how you can create bounce effects like this. Now I want the theme of this video to be a bit yellow or gradient. So first of all, I will now just simply go in the notepad and I will copy this one letter social media and I will choose the pen tool and I will click here and then paste our text. Now once this is done, I will just simply bring it on to something like this. Perfect. I will move back to property section and in here we have to change font. So I will be choosing a different font. I think this font is better. Let me just make it bigger like this. Now we need to change this into gradient. So there are two methods. Once you can use Premiere, sorry, ramp ramp effect from the effects, or you can just go in the fill section. In here you have to choose linear gradient, and in here I will just simply click on the first one and let's just keep our theme to yellow, and I will click on the other color as well. I think this is okay. So you can see this is how it is done. Now once this is done, we have to apply bounce effects. So now let's just go and I will just copy this text. Now I will make it like this and I can go to select this again and I will just paste it and make sure to bring it downwards. I will make the font size smaller like this right here. Now I will go here and I will search for a font called Playfair. This is the one. I will just choose it to be this one and I will just make it like this. Perfect. Now once this is done, you can what you can also do is just simply cut this different now and I will make a copy of it as well. This all depends upon you what you want to create. So I will just simply make it like this and let me just select this and I will paste this right here and this text will be right here. If you want, you can just go and you can choose a bold, sorry, I will go again in Playfair and you can choose the Playfair bold italic as well if you want to. That depends upon you. So this is how you can see our these texts are created. Now let me just arrange the text. So first of all, this text I will just simply bring it right here is different now, so I will just move it like this. So this is how it will be done. First this text will come and then the other text. If you want to change any color scheme of everything in rare, so you can also change that. So now for this section, sorry, this one I will just go, I use this plugin to search effects, but you don't have it, so I will go in the effects section. This is the effect section. So I can just simply go in the preset sections and in here you have to click on import preset. Then you will find this type of pset file. You can just simply click and open. Your presets will automatically show here. So you can see there are different presets around here. So let's just test these. So first of all, I will just go and I will take on the bounce effect final 2 and I will bring it on and I will drag it to the start of this. You can also adjust this as well, but I won't be doing that. I think this is okay. So let me just play it. So if you play it, it will be looking like this. First is daddy, so this is animated. Now for this one, let's just go and I will just take on the bounce down. So let's just play like this. Perfect. And for this one, let's just do bounce up. So now let me just play the animation so you can see. Perfect. Now this is how you can use these presets and create these. If you want your text to look more better, you can just simply select your text and just go in here, linear gradient, just select the color and choose anything you want. That depends upon you, like this, or you want a different shade of color. So if you want this, you can see this is how it's done. So that all depends upon your imagination. This is how you can create this bounce animation. Now for moving next, you can see once you for example the scene ends here, so we can also cut these right here and then we can also apply the text animations to these as well. So this is how you can apply bounce text animations and create them in Premiere Pro like After Effects. So if you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and I will see you in the next tutorial. Until then, take care and bye.